You right guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Sputnic 25-2 Sprocket that I've got here. I live in the UK and I got it for about £30 or £28 in chainreactioncycles.com, and they do free shipping to the UK, which is like really good. I'm not sure about America, but yeah. When I get a better camera, we'll start doing a bike check. And I've got some more unboxings coming up on the KMC chain connector, chain extractor. But I'm not going to do an unboxing of it. I'm just going to do a review. And it was a rear cassette sprocket by DMR. Yeah. So guys, I've already took the liberty of taking it out of this package. So yeah, so let's take it. There's a little zip tie holding it down, so we're just gonna cut into that now. Alright guys, so I've took it out of that little cardboard thing, and here's the sprocket close up. Here's the other side of the sprocket, and there's like a little spacer thingy here, and it just goes into the back of there. I've actually got a one-piece crank, not a three-piece like most people, but that don't matter. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and see you in my other videos. And I'll have a review coming up on this bucket tomorrow, I think, or maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, see you later, guys. Bye. Guys, I live in the UK, so I got it for about £80. I mean 30. Not fair.